What is going on, guys and girls? We're back in the channel. We're going to do a taste test. This is Easter candy, and it's called Splits. Gluten-free chocolate candies. And yes, Easter was a long time ago, and yes, really, chocolates. And I have been wanting to taste that. Let's crack this open. I peeled it open. So now, try one. They're gluten-free, by the way. So. Oh, that's weird. Really good. Ah. Like, in gluten, it's so much more thick. Like, falls in your mouth. It's like a... But this is like a donut, like a mini crunchy donut. Because it like just melts in your mouth and it's so thin feeling. It's really sweet. It's not like... it's not nearly as tender. You know what I'm saying? Really good. So good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this.
And you're watching Disney Channel. Oh, this actually works.
I'm gonna grab some.
Too big. Play cool, Harley.
Wow. They're so good. It's so weird.
Today's my birthday.
Like, I like them, but they're weird. There's no way to describe the taste. That was mad.
I can work with that. Showtime. In case you haven't figured it out.
You guys ever notice? If anyone's eating that ant, put in the comments below. How they taste weird. And then they're like so like so. There's like no taste except for like a little bit of crunch and a little bit of spice. But it's good. But ants are good. They're weird. Like you don't want to eat them because whenever you eat them with something that you want to eat, like chocolate covered ants, I've heard are amazing. But whenever you mix it with like, let's say you're eating cheese raviolis, that made an ant fell in it and I ate it. Wow, it tasted great. But we are really good. I can't wait for next Easter. I'm melting. It's just a hard shell.
That's your special announcement?
Special for me? A grown woman should not be coloring her grays with a magic marker.
Well, it's so weird.
I feel bad.
Tastes weird.
Mom and Dad when I tell them they forgot. But then I feel guilty. Really guilty.
It's there's a little bit of a weird taste.
I could use that guilt.
I'm talking about the texture.
Something money can't buy. But guilt can. 39, 40.
But the texture
He is about to set a record. I could get the best seat in the car.
is just weird. You know what it feels like? It tastes like cake batter. It tastes like chocolate cake batter and a little bit of chocolate icing.
Enjoy it now, Rachel.
I
That seat's